Hi everybody, welcome back to HomeHeadChef. I'm Chef Tony, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make glazed carrots. These carrots make a great side dish for any dinner or holiday. I'm telling you, you need to double this batch because there won't be any left for when you want them. Now there's different carrots you can use. Today we're going to use the baby carrots, and they're fresh. You can use canned carrots and you can skip the whole blanching process. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For the glazed carrots, we're going to need 1 pound of carrots. If you're using any fresh carrots, you want to blanch them first, which I'm going to show you how. 1/4 cup of honey, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. First thing we're going to do is blanch the carrots. What is blanching? So we're going to parboil them, and then we're going to drop them into an ice bath to stop the cooking process. And they will finish up cooking as we make the sauce. So let's head over to the stove and get these blanched. Our water is boiling. We're going to go in with our carrots. We're going to let these boil for about 3 to 5 minutes until they're just tender. All right, let's check the tenderness. Alright, those are perfect. I didn't plan this well. I don't have any ice in my water, but I put this in the freezer to cool it down. We're going to drop our carrots into the water. This is the blanching part. This is instantly going to stop the cooking process. Now we're going to let these sit in here for a minute and drain. And we're going to start working on the sauce, the glaze. Now for the glaze, we're going to go in with our butter. We're going to get this nice and melted. Shouldn't take long to melt that butter. If you have your butter at room temp, it will definitely melt a lot faster. Butter's melted. We're going to go in with our carrots. Don't be afraid of the sizzle, it's just the water. Let's saute these up for a second. We're going to go in with our brown sugar. Get that broken up. Our honey. It is being very stubborn. And get that all mixed in. Let that brown sugar melt, that honey heat up. It's going to blend together. And we're going to give this about, I want to say, 1.5 to 2 minutes to start to thicken up. We want to turn the heat down from a medium-high heat to about a medium. Now we're going to go in with our cinnamon. And we're going to want to cook out the cinnamon flavor for about 30 to 40 seconds. That way it's not real strong and pungent. It's just going to be there on the back note as you're eating, and it just provides a nice depth of flavor. Just let this go for about another 30 seconds, then we're going to head back to the cutting board and taste these. Alright, let's taste these. It's so good. The honey and the brown sugar makes a perfect glaze for them. You can taste the carrot. The cinnamon is there, but you're not quite sure what it is. It's really good. I'm going to finish these off before the kids get into them, because they absolutely love these things. Well, if you like what we're doing here, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions about any of the recipes whatsoever, or have any recipes that you'd like to see us do, comment below and let us know, and we'll get back to you. Please follow us on Pinterest and on Instagram at HomeHeadChef. Thanks for stopping in, guys, and we'll see you next time.